Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Jonathan, and Jonathan actually had a surgery with us 3 years ago, a little shy of 3 years ago, and he is back today for some more hair, but I wanted to really show off his results. And if you can see from the before picture, it almost looks like we got the wrong guy. He looks so much different in such a positive way. But I wanted, Jonathan, how was your experience now being 3 years later? Tell us what your experience is like. Tell us if your life has changed at all based on your hair, and then tell us why you're back.
Yeah, it was been 3 years, been good. I was impressed with the first result, and we didn't really get the crown, so
right.
I wanted to focus on it this time. But the healing was pretty painless and easy, and I'm back again.
Cool. And looking at your before picture and looking at you now, in terms of how it changed, do people notice, or does it kind of grow in slowly? Are your family saying anything?
Oh yeah, they definitely notice. I look completely different.
Social media, I'm sure it looks a little different.
Yeah, people actually, my wife said, friends comment like, where did he get his hair done at? Because he had a great result. So
yeah, awesome, man.
I'll take it.
Awesome. And the nice thing though is that's permanent hair, so that when you're 90 years old, you'll have the same hairline, which is cool to think about. So cool, man. I'm gonna kind of model your hair. You can see from the front how this just reframes his face in such a better way. Just put your chin down slightly. I'm just gonna kind of show the top here. Good. And you can see where our focus is gonna be on the back and through the center today, where he needs basically ran out last time. And then I'm going to show you from the side. I'm going to turn you this way, Jonathan. So that's okay. Perfect. There we go. So you can see how that shelf of hair it looks awesome. It looks really cool. He's got this cool waviness to his hair as well, which creates a lot of density. And he's wearing it to some length, which again, he's doing everything right in terms of using the hair in the best way. But look at the difference between the sides. Awesome, man. All right. Well, Jonathan, I appreciate you showing your results, man. And we're excited to see what the second one gives you.
Yes, me too.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.